Hello everybody, welcome back to Scuba Ty, and today we are going to be treasure hunting under this famous highway, I-80. Got my friend Ben here, and a long time ago there was a murder weapon thrown off this bridge and it was never found, so hopefully we can find it. So let's get in the water. Oh, nasty. Yeah. First two finds of the day. Yeah, that's a can of something. Unopened. Jack Daniel's Southern Peach. First vape. Half of one. Alright everybody, this is our above water finds without snorkeling through a river. We found this unopened Jack Daniel's Southern Peach drink. We found this water bottle, 3 golf balls, a vape, bush light can, a dog toy, and half of a fishing pole. So we're going to get in the water now with our snorkel gear and we're going to see what else we could find. Alright, we're done river hunting under the highway, and this is my haul. So first, we got this half of a fishing pole. We got this water bottle, Cheetos bag. I don't know what this is. It looks like a cap to something. It looks like a chewed up dog toy. Some piece of metal from something. A huge Truly. Bush light can. Some Jack Daniel's can. A net, looks like fish or bugs maybe, I'm not sure. Vape. Something from a car, I think. I'm not sure what that could be, but also half of a smashed, looks like a Red Bull can, maybe Pepsi actually. Another used shotgun shell. Looks like this huge rubber band. I'm not sure what that is. 5 golf balls, and my favorite find of the day. And I believe it's an iPhone 11 or an iPhone 12. That is still in the case, and also has these car keys in them. And I already tested it. If you turn it on, you probably can't see it. Yeah, I can't see it either, but earlier I tried to turn it on and it was flashing the battery, so it's just dead, and it still works. So I'm going to try to get it back to the owner, and I will update you guys on if I could find them and return the phone. So that was my river haul. After returning from my treasure hunt, I plugged in the phone that I found and it actually turned on. But the bad thing is that there's a passcode and I couldn't get in it. I tried everything to bypass the passcode to find information on the owner so I could return it, but I just couldn't do it. I then saw in the corner of the screen the cell phone coverage was still working. It was Verizon, so I actually went to the Verizon store to see if they could help me. I brought the phone in, they took out the SD card, They typed in some information and they actually found the number that belonged to the phone. The Verizon worker then called the number that was found on the SD card, and when the owner picked up, they were excited and thrilled and could not even believe it that their phone showed up there. Sadly, I wasn't able to give back the phone and keys in person. I had to give it to the Verizon worker, and then they said when they would arrive at the store, they would give the phone and keys to the owner, so then I had to leave. The worker told me I was able to leave my contact information, so later that day, the owner of the phone texted me thank you for finding their phone. This was an awesome experience because this is the second time I've ever river treasure hunted, and I found a phone and I was able to give it back to the owner. If you do enjoy these river treasure hunting videos, make sure you stay tuned for my next posted video on my 4th of July river treasure hunt. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time on Scuba Ty.